When the car is first built, its wheels are aligned straight ahead so the tyres wear evenly. However, due to potholes, speed bumps and general wear and tear, your wheels can go out of alignment. As you can see from this tyre, one side is worn smooth. This would cause poor grip in wet weather conditions, increase your stopping distance and could result in an MOT failure. Our 3D wheel alignment equipment uses cameras and these targets on each wheel. We roll the car back a few inches and then forwards again, and it measures the true centre of each wheel. As you can see, this car needs minor adjustment to the front toe, which is where the front wheels point slightly in towards each other or out away from each other. I'll adjust that now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.